confidently trust the Lord to take care of her. Psalm 112:7. Hey guys, so we're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to use my P. Louise base in 2. I'm going to apply this to my eyelid so that my eyeshadow will come out more vibrant and will stick better. I'm going to use a bit of setting powder just to set this concealer in, and I'm going to apply this to both eyes. Now I'm going to take my Nudes by Juvias. I just bought this palette, never used, first time using it. I'm going to go into my whole eyelid with the burnt brown shade right here that I'm showing you. It doesn't really have a name, so just apply this to your whole eyelid. I'm using this shade as a transition shade, so it is pretty light, but I'm going to go back in with my Beauty Rust Colored Rain palette, and it's a dark brown called Nighty. I broke my palette, so I couldn't really show you guys, and I'm just gonna go in that crease and darken it up. This is like my first professional set of eyeshadow brushes, and I must say Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, OMG, y'all did this. Like, I am hooked. Thank you. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going into that crease until I get this shade as dark as I want it. My shade is not that dark because this is a light glam, but the darker you do it, the more your cut crease will pop whenever you do your cut crease. So as you see, I'm gonna go in with that black shade I just showed you to just darken up this crease just a little bit more, not too much, but of course to your desired look. Crease is at my desired darkness. I'm going to take my Maybelline concealer. If you do not have this concealer, I suggest you go get it if you want to cut some creases, because it cuts out so much time and it's so precise. So you just want to start in your inner corner of your eye and then bring it all the way out, slowly but surely. And my country accent just came out. That was so nasty. But yeah. Now that my crease is cut, I'm going to take a glitter gold. This can be any gold in any palette you have, any color you want to make pop. And I'm just going to go over that concealer where I cut my crease at and just blend it on outwards towards the outer corner of my eye. You guys already know what time it is. I'm just applying some color corrector on all my dark spots on my face. I barely have any now that I've had this new skin routine, but this definitely helps with foundation applying. So yeah, and from here on out, you already know the deal. Let's get into my routine. Okay guys, this little super cute look can be worn anywhere where you want to look cute but not overly cute or overly made up. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and thank you for tuning in. Bye.